Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add dots to text in Photoshop for two way. First of all, apply the first way. Now we can see this. I have a two layer for two text. Simply, step one, double click the text, click space or do not use space. Simply type dots space and step two, create a new layer. Click the shape, right click on your mouse, click ellipse tool, fill color black, and then hold shift, click and drag it for fixed size dot. Okay, then hold control, select this layer, simply align middle. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, or press hold alter, click and drag it, hold control, then hold control, apply middle.